What's up, YouTube? I'm just going to show you the basics of using RockAuto.com to order car parts. Now, I'm not knocking part stores because a lot of the times they have the part there or they can get it the next day. But a lot of the times in the part store, if you ask them to turn their monitor, there's a good chance they are looking on RockAuto themselves. And of course, you're going to pay a retail markup. All right, so let's just jump into the user interface here. You can see that they have all the car companies. I'm just going to choose Toyota, and you can see the really popular ones are in bold. It's going to give you a drop down of the years. Go ahead and choose your year. I'm going to choose 2000, and then it's going to give you a drop down for the model. So go ahead and choose your car. I'm going to choose 4Runner. Now, if your car has different engines, it will give you another drop down. Figure out your engine. In my case, it's the 3.4 liter V6, so I'm going to choose that. Now we're in the guts and we can start looking for parts. You can see here they have every category of part. These categories are pretty much the same for every make, model, and year, that you go to. You're going to get these same categories. So once you get familiar with these categories, it gets easier and faster to find parts. Say I'm looking for brake pads, right? I'm going to find my category, brake and wheel hub, and I'm going to drop it down. And you can see that the most common parts are also in bold or highlighted. I navigate down here to brake pad, and it's going to expand all of the brake pads that they have available, and it's going to sort them into different tiers. So you can see here economy is going to be pretty much the cheapest available parts for the most part. There's some crossover in prices, even though it's in the economy section. The next section is daily driver, and then we have premium and heavy duty long life. You won't always get every tier for every part you're looking at. I just chose brake pads because I knew that they had pretty much every tier. When you're looking, you can close out. Say if I don't want anything in economy, I can close it. I can expand and retract that category. Say I want something only in daily driver. Okay, I can start looking in the daily driver and I can start looking at my prices. For every item, they're gonna have an info page. And these can be helpful because they can give you a lot of information. So usually they have a chart of specifications, and sometimes they'll have other sort of picture charts. Pictures here too, you can scroll through to analyze and see what parts come with this item. They have part numbers. So if I go back here, they also have pictures here, the same pictures generally you can toggle through. Sometimes if they have deals, they have a drop down here where you can get wholesale and regular inventory price comparisons. RockAuto likes to use little icons. So if you look right here, they have hearts here, and that means they're a popular choice for customers. So now let's add this Bosch front brake pad set to our cart. So we're going to go over here and go to add to cart. We're now in the cart tab up here. So I'm just going to put in my information. This is where you would fill in your address, and it's going to calculate shipping. So with RockAuto, you always pay for shipping. You have to put in a phone number and an email, and you hit calculate shipping. Once you put in your information, you can now scroll down. You'll have a shipping, tax, and total information. So you can see that for these brake pads, I've got a received by date, the carrier, and the price. It'll default to the cheapest price, but you can also choose a different carrier if you would like. Of course, the heavier the item, the more the shipping is going to be. And another big thing that I want to show you is how they do ABC carts. I'm going to scroll up here and go to the top left and go to continue shopping. Okay, say I want some rotors to go with these brake pads. I'm going to go to rotors, and I'm going to say, again, I only want something from the daily driver section. Now, you can see here, these little shipping truck icons have shown up on certain items. This is because I have something in my cart. So once you have something in your cart, you're going to start seeing these little truck icons. And these truck icons mean that these items will ship from the same shipping hub as the other items in your cart. So you will pretty much be paying one shipping fee. All right, so I have a couple things in my cart, and I'm gonna add some more things to show you what happens when you have a mix of shipping hub locations in your cart. Let me get some brake shoes. And we're just gonna pick a random one here. Just add them to cart. So now you can see that not all of these items are gonna ship from the same hub. So they have A, and B. So that both of the A items are gonna be shipping from one place and the B item is gonna be shipping from another place. So if you go down here, you can see that there's an A package and a B package now. One is $12 and one is $13. So the price of the shipping has gone up significantly. My total shipping price is now $25 on top of my parts and tax. So ideally, when you're shopping on RockAuto, you want to try to build a cart that has all of the parts shipping from one hub. Then you can really maximize your cart and keep your shipping costs as low as possible. It doesn't always work out like that. The way I like to do it is I like to ask myself, what is the most important part that I'm getting? What is the priority part that I'm ordering right now? And I start with that part. Especially if I have a brand or in mind, I will start with that part and then I will try to build the cart around that high priority part. Just a couple other tidbits. They do have a tab for tools and universal parts. They have hand tools and other various tools in these sections you can look at. They've got a part number search if you already have your part number. They've got some help pages. They've got a promotions and rebates tab you can check out. There's an account tab here, which they say is optional. You don't need an account to place an order, which is nice, but you can create an account. And then they have the order status and returns page. So to pull up your order, you need to put in your email address or phone number and the order number. Once you place an order, you will get an email with the breakdown of all the parts that you just ordered and an order number, so you can find it there. This also, I believe, is where you would do your core returns. So let me pull up an example of a core charge. Say you're looking for a brake caliper. For things that have a core charge, you will see the price and then the core charge and the total. So this one, for example, this Cardone remanufactured caliper is $45 for the caliper, $30 for the core charge, and it brings the total to about $75. So the core charge is basically they're going to charge you $30 until you send in your old caliper. So you'll get this $30 back minus the cost of the shipping label that RockAuto is going to provide you at a discount. The shipping label might be $10, something like that, and so you might get, in that case, you'll get $20 back. So the cost of this caliper would be about $55. Okay. This is the same as parts stores. They're going to charge you a core charge, so it's the same deal. It's just you are responsible for shipping it back yourself. So that's the basics of using RockAuto. They have generally really fast shipping. It's usually takes them a business day, 2 at most, to get the orders packed and shipped out to you. I've gotten parts as soon as the next day. It all depends where the parts are being shipped from and, where you live. I've had some really fast shipping. Typically it doesn't take longer than 5 business days to get to me, at least. I've never had any issues with them. Super easy, good shipping, and you get a cool little magnet every time you place an order. Like you get, they'll send you one of these, they'll send you a free magnet with your order that shows somebody's car that they built with RockAuto parts. You start a little collection of magnets, which is cool. You can also buy them random 5-pack for $1.25. RockAuto is definitely a tool in the arsenal of ordering car parts. So you have parts stores for stuff you need immediately. You've got RockAuto if you're to build a cart and to save some money on individual parts. Usually you can find some pretty good deals on here. And then you have places like Amazon, where you're always going to get free shipping if you're over $35. But of course you're usually paying a little bit more per item. So really, you use all three types of those resources for parts in conjunction. You crunch the numbers and you find the pros and cons. Just hope that helps. If you haven't used RockAuto, highly recommend checking it out. Get familiar with it and get some parts. So good luck on your car repairs. Leave any questions, comments down below. I read every question. Subscribe to the channel if you feel like it. It would mean a lot to me. And thanks for watching. See ya.